Welcome to our tutorial about creating a work point. Let's begin by selecting Work Point. We can create a work point at the intersection of three planes. And when I mouse over a plane, you see a preview. Another way to create a work point, it's at the intersection of two lines. We can also create a work point at an axis, as well as at the midpoint. A work point can be created at the intersection of a plane and axis, as well as at the intersection of a surface and a line, as I'm demonstrating right here. Or we can do it at the intersection of a plane and curve. Both points here are coincident. Let's create another one. We'll select this sketch, this face, and the work point is created right here. This concludes our tutorial about creating a work point.